Hello kids, welcome to another smoothie. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Orgasmicpathways.com is my website. Choose your pathways. So today we're going to use one that's a little bit largely pre-made. Shopping at Costco, I picked this up. Typically I don't get these that are, they got a bunch of stuff put together that makes it easier. But this one I particularly like. I really like this blend of ingredients. It's organic. I don't know, let's see, it's not the Kirkland brand, so this could be available at other places. Fresh Start Smoothie Blend, Organic Tropical Greens Smoothie Blend, Mango, Pineapple, Peach, Spinach, Avocado. So, just like all my other videos, it's a great nutrition label, great packaging, but always look in the ingredients list to make sure it doesn't have added junk to it. I looked at the ingredients list, it really does have all these things without adding any junk to it, without adding sugar, and all that kinds of stuff. And the ingredients typically is, you see the label here, but right below that is the ingredients. And usually the ingredients is going to be somewhere around the label. So make sure no matter how attractive this is, this does a good job representing itself. A lot of times they don't. So just be aware of that. All right, so this comes in 5 little pouches like this. So I already took one out. Whoops. I guess I just rip it open with my hands. It's easier than using scissors because I'm so strong because I eat these smoothies. Okay, so here we go. 8 to 10 ounces of water, maybe 12. So I'm going to add some other stuff in there too. So we'll see. I can always add more. All right. I am also going to add, there's 3 shake mixes. If you see my videos, I'll go over them again super fast. But there's Vega, V-E-G-A, Sun Warrior, and Shakeology. The first 2 you can find in a lot of health food stores. I've heard Vega is in Target, which surprised me, but super cool, good for Target. And then Shakeology here, this is one that I sell. So if you want to try this one, ask me for my specific referral link. And then if you end up buying from my link, I will get a commission from it. But either 3 of these, the Sun Warrior, Vega, or Shakeology, I've personally evaluated all 3 of them, and they're all really, really good. But if you want to try this, just let me know. Get my link from me and support me. Please. Thank you. I'm going to add 1 serving of this, or if you're using another brand, to go for it. Optional. You could just keep this, 1 bag of stuff in there. But in the spirit of Tom, I like to go all out. Why not? I'm still going to add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Completely optional. Most people cannot do this kind of heat, but it works for me. You don't have to do any if you don't want to, and this is still going to be a wonderfully healthy, delicious shake. Smoothie. If you want to add cinnamon, you certainly can. I'm not going to on this one, but cinnamon is the #1 superfood the earth grows to heal the pancreas and bring its function back to 100% optimal functionality. And the pancreas is what regulates your blood sugar. Very important. That affects how you feel right away. It's your energy. Also, diabetes, pre-diabetes. I will add some flaxseed just to get more healthy fats. The avocado that's in here already has healthy fats. In fact, every ingredient that's in here that's came in this pre-made bag is good for gently detoxing and cleansing the body on a daily basis. That's why I was really interested in this particular blend, where a lot of them I could give, take it or leave it. And you can always, these are common ingredients. You could just add them individually too, but this kind of simplifies it. So that's kind of cool. And then I've also added stuff. Now that's about all I'm going to do for this one. You can add raw oatmeal if you want. You can put a semi-ripe banana in here if you want. You can put a separate scoop of maybe some cacao powder, C-A-C-A-O, not to be confused for cocoa, and any other ingredient that I've really listed before in the past. I even thought about just adding a handful of blueberries to this, but decided not. Just leave it be as it is with those 5 main ingredients, and then a scoop of Shakeology, some flax, and then a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. But it leaves it open for a lot of possibilities. So I am going to blend this up, and then I'm going to try it out. the sound of I need to add more water. It's better to start light, right? Okay, this might do it. You can even put a smear of organic peanut butter in here if you want to. Make sure there's no sugar added to it by checking the ingredients list. Oops. All of these ingredients are also really great for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And if you have healthy hair, skin, and nails, imagine how healthy your blood is going to be and how you are going to heal on a day-to-day basis. It still needs a little more water here. Okay, let's try this out. It's got an awesome thick pudding-like consistency, but me personally, some people would love this consistency right here, but I actually like it to be a little thinner, so this will probably do it right here. All right, I believe I've got it now. That's because I do. Looks pretty good. All right, my handy dandy glass here. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Chocolate gold. Did I just make something up? I have no idea. Ooh, it's particularly very refreshing. Feel that cayenne pepper towards circulation as well as bringing out so many more of the flavors. Yeah, so there's, well, I guess that would be 5 servings in this little bag here that I got. So if you can find this, I highly recommend it. Fantastic ingredients, a really good blend. You can have it as is, or you can add even more to it like I do. Thanks everyone. I hope you find this beneficial. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. I've got many more videos showing you how to make many other smoothies, juices, healthy recipes that are plant-based, whole food, on and on and on. Workouts, tips, tricks. I don't know about tricks, but tips for sure. So go through it with a fine-tooth comb and pick from it what you will that will help you out. Bye for now. Next video coming very soon. Healthy hair, skin, and nails. See, I've got great skin. There's no filters here. I don't do filters on my videos. This is my real skin. It's amazing. Nails, yeah. Hair grows fast. It's just food. Healthy blood. Good energy.